So it's a paint to sample, olive green. If I had 5 minutes to shoot this car, this is everything I would do. I would start off around starting off at the front. Get all the shots I need to, vertical, horizontal for social media and everything. Got another 3/4 side shot. Always fixing the CPL just to adjust everything. I'd go for a side shot, just the whole car. And then we'll go for a wheel. Beautiful. Headlight. Go stand back a little bit so I'm not in the light. We'll go logo shot. Always beneficial, especially when shooting Porsches or any car for that matter, to always try and get the crest or the emblems in every shot possible. So like if I'm shooting the headlight, try and get the Porsche logo here, or getting the GT3 logos, the Porsche logos on the calipers, everything like that. That's the best way to get the best shots. This is a beautiful spec. Got the microphone on there because we did some rollers earlier. I'll overlay some footage from that. But yeah, this is a beautiful shoot. Thank you so much for FAF Vancouver for having us out here as well. There was a Cars and Coffee this morning with McLaren Vancouver, so if you ever want to come see some awesome cars, come see the cars down in Vancouver. Always great shots. Move my 360 camera out of the way. When I got a shot with the bridge and the building there. Yeah, last time I was at this location, it was absolutely pouring rain, so it wasn't that fun. But it was also pretty cool getting some detail shots of the car too, which is always kind of nice with the raindrops. But yeah, get the GT3 logos of everything. And always try and cancel out the paint reflections, or reflections in general for that matter. Alright, we'll do a rear 3/4 or rear quarter. Beautiful. We'll come in over here. Cancel out the reflection, there we go. No, you're good. I do. Oh, you're good. I do see him, but I can crop him out, that's fine. Beautiful spec though. Holy. Sweet. Let's get a shot of this with the buckets and the gauge clusters and everything. It's warm in here really quick. Holy. Beautiful. We'll go to the other side, get the other interior. It's kind of cool to see the fire extinguisher down there. It's kind of funny seeing the FAF logo on the seat through the sun. It's kind of interesting. Sweet. Okay, cool. Let's swap to the 16mm to get some wide angle shots. And then we'll jump on for video. Again. Alright, now shooting on the 16-25 from Sony. And also the camera shooting on the Sony is the Sony a7 IV. I always have a CPL filter on this just to cancel out reflection. There we go. Get a shot of the Porsche crest. Beautiful. We'll go inside one more time just to get a first-person view type of feel, like almost as if I was driving this car. Let's close the door so we can get that effect. Beautiful. Beautiful. Vertical stuff. Beautiful. Cool. Maybe I do a shot in the bush a little bit, maybe. We'll see. Beautiful. I'm really liking that shot. That looks almost like out of Forza. It's crazy. Maybe getting a shot here. Oh, that's actually really cool. Holy. Maybe focus on the flower. Beautiful. We got that same shot but horizontal maybe. For website usages maybe. Beautiful. That is amazing.
Elevation. It's the best I can see. Just every night we're doing multiplayer with GT3s or whatever. Nothing. Costs us.
You said on BeamNG Drive?
Yeah, we're not.
Oh, I love it. I've had it.
Love it too?
I've had it since open release, since like pre-alpha or whatever. I can't play it unfortunately anymore because I'm on Mac. I switched to Mac.
We're on Mac too. I just run Shadow.
Oh, okay.
Virtual booster.
Yeah. Okay.
He does a custom server. He's made it where he's literally jumped through all the hoops to make this thing work on Mac.
Wow. Okay.
So it's possible.
True. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Yeah. That was the one thing I was like, oh, I'm gonna lose this game. Darn it. Oh, I love it.
Especially the soundbar.
Yeah.
We want to build a famous driving, but it's. Have a great day, guys.
Yeah, you too as well. Sweet. Should be good for here.
Yeah.
It's the shot I'm getting.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, that's the shot.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Almost looks like it's Forza a little bit.
Oh yeah, that's right.
It's like, oh wow, that's crazy.
Awesome.
Sweet.
Good actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you want to, what I'll do is I'll pack up my stuff, and then as you're pulling through, I'll just get some shots as you're leaving here.
Okay.
you want.
Good. Yeah.
Yeah. And then we're pretty much good. I have everything.
That's it.
I'll grab my microphone. I'll remember that. But
Yeah. Grab.
Yeah.
Oh, but you can take it.
oh yeah.
You don't need
Oh wait.
it.
No, it's good.
Okay.
You're good.
Anyways, it is what it is.
Sweet. Perfect. Appreciate you. Thank you again.
Of course. Thank you. Yeah. So then you're just gonna take photos when I drive out.
Yeah, I'll take some photos though.
Okay.
Yeah, if you want to, actually, yeah, you can just drive now. I'll come back for my stuff.
Okay.
No one else is down here too, so. All right, so Charles, the GM of McLaren, is actually leaving right now, so we're gonna get a couple shots of him just leaving, and then we'll be good. Probably should be on a different lens, but who cares, right? Anytime.
We'll talk soon.
Yeah, let me know whenever you want me to come back and we'll do some stuff.
Awesome.
Thank you. Yeah, you too as well. Beautiful. All right, let's go grab my stuff and then we'll get out of here. Alrighty, so we just got done shooting this beautiful olive green Porsche GT3 at FAF, Vancouver. Just got a shot done at this location here. I'm not disclosing where this location is. It's a very popular location for me, but it is super nice. We also did some rollers on the way here around from Burrard, from around McLaren Vancouver area. Got the POV of everything as well, so that's awesome. I love that shot. We also went to a car show with McLaren Vancouver earlier today as well, along with a drive up to Squamish, funny enough as well, with Charles in a 750S. So there's so much footage I got from today. I don't know how much footage is going to make it to social media, but it's going to be awesome. We're going to get to it. Yeah, let's get to the editing phase. I can't even talk. Let's get to the editing phase.